Welcome to the Blender Goon. In this video, we are going to update our 5.0. So Blender 5.0 is out and we're going to download and install this, and I'll show you how to do it and not break your settings. So go ahead and download Blender 0.5 and we'll just download Blender. And it should start automatically and it'll download up here. Once it's done, you can go ahead and run the exe and just follow the prompts. Once you have Blender installed, go ahead and run the exe. And go ahead and finish that when it's done. And it should put an icon on your desktop for Blender 0.5. We'll go ahead and open that. And don't touch nothing. So we have this button here, import 4.5 preferences. We're going to go ahead and click that. Blender's going to freeze on us. That's fantastic. Okay, it worked itself out. Great. So I'm going to go through and check a few things and see what's broken, what's not. First thing I want to do is go to my rendering. It saved my samples and everything. That's good. It did remove my special tabs I had up here. So if you had some special tabs, they are in the list though, so I can just re-add them. So I can add my normal map and my my asset browser that I had. That's good. I'm going to go to edit and preferences and check those. Check my add-ons. Somebody told me Loop Tools was not in here or broken or something. Looks like it's there. The add-ons, Overpaint's fine. I don't care about that. I want to check Loop Tools and see if they're working, because somebody said they weren't working. Seems to be working okay to me. My preferences for my vertex size is not saved, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that. That's under themes and 3D viewport. And it's down at the bottom here. And you can move this window to see your vertex size if you want. I like them big. I also want to check my normals and see if my normals are on or not. So we'll go to overlays drop down. Face orientation is not on, so I'm going to turn that on. When I turned it on, though, it didn't turn blue. So that means my 3D viewport settings are correct. So it did save that, which is right here. So that's good. So the inside should, so if I delete these faces, the inside should be red. Delete those faces. Cool. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the cube. And I'm just going to save my startup file under default save startup file. And I'll overwrite it now that I've fixed those few things. Then I'm going to close this. I'm not going to save. And then I'm going to delete my old Blender 4.5. Or just unpin it rather. And then I'll just drag and drop this down there. And I can delete this. And that should do you. If you have any problems, you're welcome to jump in my Discord and poke me, and I'll help you fix anything you have problems with. And I'll see you in the next video.